Children, in the previous classes, I have taught you about comparison of fraction. Today I shall teach you addition of fraction. Now let's do the sum of exercise 4G, sum number 1. So you have to add 3 by 8 and 1 by 12. So first you take the LCM of the denominators 8 and 12. So LCM of 8 and 12. Here I am using repeated division method. So divide them by 2. So 4, 6. Again divide them by 2, 2, 3. Again divide them by 2, 1, 3. Again divide them by 3, 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24. Now children, write the sum 3 by 8 plus 1 by 12. So this is equal to, so in the denominator you have to write, you have taken the LCM of 8 and 12. So what is the answer? 24. Now you divide this 24 by the denominator 8. So 24 divided by 8, 3 into the numerator, that is 3, plus again you divide the denominator 12. So 24 by 12. So 24 divided by 12, it will be 2 into the numerator 1. So 3 3s are 9 plus 2 1s are 2 by 24. So 9 plus 2, 11. So 11 by 24. So answer 11 by 24. Now see children, sum number 4. So again you have to take the LCM of the denominators 4 and 5. So LCM of 4 and 5. So here also I am using repeated division method. 2, so 2, 5, again by 2, 1, 5, again by 5, 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 to the 4, 4 5s are 20. Now again you write the sum 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. This is equal to, so what is the LCM? 20. So in the denominator you write 20. Now you divide this 20 by 4. So 20 divided by 4, how much it is coming? 5. So 5 into 3 plus again 20 divided by 5. How much it is coming? 4 into 2. So 15. 5 3s are 15, 4 2s are 8 by 20. Now 15 plus 8, 23 by 20. Now 23 is better than 20, so you have to divide. So 21s are 20, so 3. So 3 will come in the numerator and 20 will come in the denominator. So answer 1, 3 by 20. Next children, sum number 4. You have to, sum number 7 now, sorry, sum number 7. You have to add the fraction 4 by 9 and 5 by 6. So first you take the LCM of the denominators 9 and 6. So 9, 6. Here also I am using repeated division method to find out the LCM. So divide it by 2. So 9, 3. Now divide them by 3, 3, 1. Again divide them by 3, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. That means 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Now children, you write the sum 4 by 9 plus 5 by 6. So what is the LCM of the denominators 9 and 6? 18. So write in the denominator 18. Now you divide 18 by 9. So 18 divided by 9, 2 into 4. There is a numerator. Again 18 divided by 6. It will be 3 into the numerator 5. So 2 4s are 8 plus 5 3s are 15 by 18. Now 8 plus 15, 23 by 18. Now because the numerator is greater than the denominator, so you have to divide the 23 by 18. Ones are 18. So 13 minus 8, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. So 1, 5 by. This 5 will come in the numerator and this 18 will come in the denominator. So answer 1, 5 by 80. Now children, let's do sum number 10. So here we have to add the fraction 7 by 16 and 1 by 4. So first we take the LCM of the denominator 16 and 4. So here also I shall apply repeated division method. So 16 divided by 2, 8, 4 divided by 2, 2, again divide them by 2, 4, 1, again divided by 2, 1, again divide them by 2, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Now children, you write the sum 7 by 16 plus 1 by 4. So what is the LCM? 16. So you write in the denominator 16. Now you divide 16 by 16. That is 16 divided by 16, 1 into 7. Plus again you divide 16 by 4. So 16 divided by 4, 4 into 1. So it will be 7 plus 1 is the 7 plus 4 ones are 4 by 16. So 7 plus 4, 11 by 16. Now children, you see the numerator is less than the denominator. So you can't divide it. So you write the answer as 11 by 16. Next, let us do sum number 12. Again you have to take the LCM of the denominators 3 and 7. So LCM of 3 and 7. So here also I should apply repeated division method. So divide them by 3. So 1, 7. Again divide them by 7. 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 3 into 7. This is equal to 21. Now you write, children, again you write the sum. So what is the LCM of 3 and 7? 21. So you write in the denominator 21. Now you divide 21 by 3. So 7. 21 divided by 3, 7 into 1 plus, again you divide 21 by 7. So 21 divided by 7, 3 into 1. So it will be 7 plus 3 by 21. So 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So 10 by 21. Again children, you see the numerator is smaller than the denominator. You can't divide it. So answer 10 by 21. Now sum number 15. You have to add the fraction 3 by 5 and 1 by 10. So first you take the LCM of the denominators 5 and 10. So here also I shall apply repeated division method. So divide them by 2 first, 5. 10 divided by 2, 5. So by 5, 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. Now again you write the sum 3 by 5 plus 1 by 10. So this will be equal to, so what is the LCM of 5 and 10? 10. Now children, you divide 10 by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2 into, you write the numerator 3 plus you divide 10 by 10. That is 10 divided by 10, 1 into the numerator 1. So it will be 2 3s are 6 plus 1 by 10. So 6 plus 1, 7 by 10. So answer 7 by 10. Now children, let's do sum number 17. So you have to add the fraction 7 by 12 and 7 by 10. So first what you have to do, you have to take the LCM of the denominators 12 and 10. So what you have to do, you have to apply, I shall apply here repeated division method to find out the LCM. So 12, LCM of 12 and 10, so first divide them by 2, so 6, 5, again divide them by 2, 3, 5, again divide them by 3, 1, 5, again divide them by 5, 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 5 are 16. Now children, you write the sum 7 by 12 plus 7 by 10. So what is the LCM of 12 and 10? That is 60. Now you divide 60 by 12, that is 5 into 7, plus you divide 60 by 10, that is 6 into 7. So 5 7s are 35 plus 6 7s are 42 by 60. So it is equal to 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 3 7. So 77 by 60. Now children, you see the numerator is better than the denominator. So you have to divide 77 by 60. So 60 ones are 60. 7 minus 0, 7, 1. So 17 will come in the numerator and 60 will come in the denominator. So answer 117 by 60. Now children, let's do sum number 19. Here you have to add the fraction 4 by 5 and 4 by 9. So first you take the LCM of the denominator 5 and 9. Here also I shall apply the repeated division method. So first divide them by 3. So 5, 3. Again divide them by 3, 5, 1. Again divide them by 5, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. That is 9 into 5. So 9 5s are 45. Now children, you write the sum 4 by 5 plus 4 by 9. So what is the LCM of 5 and 9? 45. So you divide 45 by 5. So 45 by 5 means 9 into, you write the numerator, that is the 4, plus again you divide 45 by 9. So you get 5. 45 divided by 9. So you get 5 into the numerator, that is 4. So it will be 9 4s are 36 and 5 4s are 20 by 45. So 36 plus 20. So 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 56 by 45. Now children, again you see numerator is better than the denominator. So you have to divide. So 45 ones are 45. So 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. So it will be 11 by 45. So answer 11 by 45. Next children, you see sum number 21. Here you have to add the fraction 4 by 8 and 3 by 10. So LCM of 8 and, that is the LCM of the denominators 8 and 10. Here also I shall apply the repeated division method. So divide them by 2. So 4, 5. Again divide them by 2, 2, 5. Again divide them by 2, 1, 5. Again divide them by 5, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. That is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 5 is a 40. Now children, you write the sum 4 by 8 plus 3 by 10. So what is the LCM of 8 and 10? 40. So you write it in the denominator. Now you divide 40 by 8. So how much it is coming? 5 into 4. plus again you divide 40 by 8 by 10. So 40 divided by 10, 4 into the numerator, that is 3. So 5 4s are 20 plus 4 3s are 12 by 40. So it is 32 by 40. Now children, you see there is common factor. 8 into 4, 32. Again 8 into 5, 40. So 8 will be cancelled. So 8, it will be 4 and here it will be 5. So answer will be 4 by 5. So answer, you have to write it in the simplest form. So it will be 4 by 5. That's all for today. Thank you. Children, take your homework.